Thinking about upgrading your Suno AI plan. Whether you need more credits, faster music generation, commercial use rights, or access to premium features, upgrading your subscription only takes a few minutes. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to upgrade your Suno AI plan in 2026. So let's get started. First, open the official Suno AI website and sign in to the account you'd like to upgrade. After signing in, click your profile icon and open your account or upgrade to Pro page. Make sure you're upgrading the correct account if you have more than one. On the account or pricing page, you'll see the available subscription options. Suno currently offers free, pro, and premier plans, each with different monthly credit limits and features. Compare the available plans before making your decision. Click subscribe or upgrade beneath the plan you want. If you're switching from free to pro or from pro to premier, review the included credits, commercial use rights, and other premium features before continuing. Annual billing may offer savings compared to paying month by month. Next, enter your payment information and billing details. Review your order carefully, including the renewal terms, before confirming your purchase. Take a moment to make sure everything looks correct. After your payment is processed, your new subscription should become active on your account. You'll receive the updated monthly credit allowance, along with access to the features included in your selected plan. You can always check your remaining credits from your account page. Now you're ready to enjoy your upgraded plan. Explore advanced models, additional editing tools, commercial use rights for eligible new songs, and the higher monthly credit limit included with your subscription. So you've successfully upgraded your Suno AI plan, and that's how to upgrade your Suno AI plan. Choosing the right subscription gives you more credits, additional creative tools, and faster access to premium music generation features. Before upgrading, compare the available plans to make sure you're paying for the features that best match your creative workflow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.